Music in presents Michael Angelo Batio, live concert.
I think that this sums it all up. What can I say? I'm just kidding. I love to play guitar. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to say it any more than tonight. I'm so sorry about my double guitar. I always play my double. I will never, ever, ever cancel a show because I am sick or something happens to me, but I have no control over my equipment. Thank you. This next song is a song that I wrote with a singer named Jim Gillette in the band Nitro. Now, I have never performed this song since Nitro. So when the band comes out next year as Nitro, this will be the first time ever since Jim Gillette was 19 years old. So it's going to be very special, but I want to play something for you. Our first single in the United States was a song called Freight Train. Now Freight Train has a very, very important message. It's to every one of you out here. In this world today, it does not matter where you live. With the internet, there's very good things about the internet and obviously not so good things where people yell and scream at each other, but it connects the entire planet in a way that no one could ever have imagined. So, Freight Train is about this. I'm on a train, I'm going full speed ahead, and you are not going to stop me. That is it. That no matter what you do in life, and this is about life, no matter what you do, if you believe in yourself and you move forward, nothing can stop you. That is what this song is about. That is the message according to Mikey. It's according to Mikey. This song is called Freight Train, and it says, full speed ahead, I will see you at the top. We ain't talking about the bottom of the mountain, we're talking about the top of the mountain like you live right now. This is it, great.